What's going on, everyone? This is iCoverTech, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make any YouTube video a ringtone or notification. There are two things that you're going to need. One is Siri shortcuts, and the shortcut is called Media Grabber. I'll leave a link below for that. And then the other is GarageBand. Now once you have those downloaded, you'll go into YouTube. And it could also be on Safari, whatever you want to, however you access YouTube, it'll work. So once you're in here, you find whatever it is that you want to download. We'll just go ahead and hit notification sound. And we'll find a short, easy one. Sure, we'll go with that. So you hit share, then more, shortcuts, select Media Grabber, let it run the process. Now you're going to want to hit audio only. It does download as an MP4, so you will have to convert it. Go to convert videos, select audio only, and make sure M4A is selected. Hit done. Share this to the share this, and then you'll save it to the files. Select whatever folder you want it in, and you're done there. Once you have that downloaded, go into GarageBand, hit the plus sign, voice, make sure this ticker is off, and then hit the little stack button up here on the top left, and then the loop button on the top right. Go to files, browse items from the files app, and then select whatever it is that you downloaded. It will import here, and then drag and drop into the track. Now you can adjust the length of the notification or song, whatever it is, and then you're going to hit the triangle, save that, press and hold, share it, select ringtone, and rename this to whatever it is that you want. I'm just going to put in 1, and then export. Now you can use the sound as a ringtone, text tone, or you can assign it to any contact that you'd like. Now that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't be selfish. Share this with your friends and family so they can get custom notifications too. And also subscribe. Thanks for watching.